Hi blessed people, today I'm finally going to give you guys our banana pancake recipe. I have shared myself making banana pancakes in a couple of vlogs, and a couple of you have been like, can we get a recipe for this? So today we are going to share that recipe. For our ingredients, you need 3 cups of flour, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, some salt and sugar of course to your taste. You need some powdered milk. I used 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. I used bananas. These are very small bananas. I used 4 of them. I blended everything together. Of course, you need some water. So let's go ahead and mix our pancake. I took my flour and added it, my sugar. Wow, what am I saying? I added my milk to the flour. Because I am using sugar in cube form, I always like to put it in water. I pour that in my blender. That's my sugar, water, my nutmeg. I'm just pouring it back in the pan to clean everything that is in the pan. Some of the nutmeg that I had grated was stuck on the pan. I'm going to add my 2 eggs. I would have broken the egg directly into the blender, but you know what can happen. I'm sure you know. I have a video where I was filming a recipe and I broke my egg and then added 1 bad egg and everything was bad. So let's not make that mistake. I add my banana and then I blend. I like to use my blender because it makes life easier. Like, I don't want to be beating the egg and trying to mash the banana, and no. So I'm just going to add my flour into the already mixed banana, egg, sugar, salt, nutmeg. I love, you'll be wondering like, why are you making banana pancakes and adding nutmeg? I love how the flavor of nutmeg marries with the flavor of the banana. It's really nice. Try it and you will definitely come back here to tell me. And you don't want to put a lot of nutmeg. Like, if you buy 1 round nutmeg, you can use half of it or maybe a quarter. You just need a little bit of that nutmeg flavor. So when I start frying pancakes, the first one I always put more oil. Then going on the rest, I do not put a lot of oil. So the next pancake, I am not going to put oil in the pan. I'm just going to use the residue from this one, and I'll just keep frying like that. When I feel like my frying pan is very dry, I'm going to add a little more oil and keep frying. This is it for our banana pancake recipe. It tastes really yummy. Go ahead and try out this recipe. You will come back to testify. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time here, please do well to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.